Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360. Realme had launched two Narzo smartphones this year in February. The first one is a Narzo 30A that was priced at 8,999 rupees, and the second one was the Narzo 30 Pro 5G that was priced at 16,999 rupees. And now Realme offers two new smartphones as a part of its Narzo 30 series. The first one is the Narzo 30, and it is the successor of the Narzo 20. It offers a 90Hz refresh rate display, a MediaTek Helio G95 SoC, and a 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt wired charging. The second one is the Narzo 30 5G. As the name implies, it gets you 5G, but it also offers a 90Hz refresh rate display, a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, and 5G dual standby as well. Today I have with me the Narzo 30 5G. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. The box is a typical blue color from Narzo, which is from Realme, with white text all over it. If you look at the back, there is the Dimensity 700 5G processor marked here. There's a 90Hz refresh rate display, 5000 mAh battery, and 5G smart power saving, and also the 48 megapixel rear camera. If you look closer on the box, it also mentioned that there's a 6GB RAM and a 128GB storage variant. This is the only RAM and storage variant that the phone is available in. This model is the Racing Silver color. The other color that the phone is available in is Racing Blue. We'll talk about that later. So now let's go ahead and take off the wrapping. So here is the box. And let's take a look at what do you get along with it. We'll come back to this in some time. This seems to be the case. Here is the phone in the Racing Silver finish. We'll get to that in a bit. Charging cable, and this is your 18-watt Realme charger. There is the case and the usual documentation. Okay, so we've quickly set up the phone now, and let's just have a look. First thing that catches your attention is the display. This is a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a hole punch camera at the top. The display features a 90Hz refresh rate and also 180Hz touch sampling rate, which should come of use while gaming. According to Realme, the back cover is inspired by a racing contest, what it calls speeding headlights of the racing car, and that creates a dynamic change of light when the phone is shaken, so it looks kind of snazzy. And that's why it's called racing design. Looks cool though. The capacitive fingerprint reader is on the right side here. It's embedded in the power button. The volume button is on the left side. The SIM card tray, which we will get to in a while, is also on the left side, and there is a USB port at the bottom, and the 3.5mm jack, the primary mic, and your speaker. There is space for two nano SIM cards and one micro SD card. According to Realme, the phone can take up to 1 terabyte of external storage using a micro SD card, which is quite good. Now, the primary camera is a 48 megapixel unit. The other two cameras are simply the black and white portrait lens and the macro camera. On the front, you get a 16 megapixel selfie camera, which is inside the hole punch cavity. This phone runs Realme UI 2.0 with Android 11 inside. The software looks fairly stock and with some minor customizations. There's also a personalizations option that comes with the Realme UI 2.0, which is kind of like the personalization options you get on the OnePlus phones. As for the software, there are a few third-party apps, as you can see very clearly. There's Soloop, there's Netflix, Facebook, Amazon, Snapchat, and there are some more apps here so there are a lot of third-party apps that come pre-installed on this phone. This is the 6GB RAM version that comes with 2GB of extended RAM that is taken away from the ROM, and there's a Dimensity 700 octa-core processor. There's 128GB of storage available in total. As for the charger, there is an 18-watt adapter that comes in the box, and the battery inside is a 5000 mAh battery. That was a quick unboxing and your first look at the Nazo 35G. What do you think about the device? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets360.com.